Afternoon, children. Today I am going to start the Darwinian theory of evolutions, its risk parts like conclusions given by Alfred with worked on Malay archipelago obtained similarities and similar conclusion as Charles Darwin. All existing life forms share similarities and common ancestors as well. So now conclusions are Earth is very old and thousands billions of years. Not in thousands but billions of years old. But billions of years old. Second conclusion, geological history of Earth closely correlated with the biological history of Earth. Various examples given in the field of natural selections, like examples of natural selections, so many examples in the field. So first examples we will discuss here: industrial melanism. Industrial melanism. Industrial melanism in prepared moth, that means ki Biston betulica, is an examples of natural selections. What happens in England? In England, before industrialization, about 1850s, number of white-winged moth were more. Number of white-winged after industrialization about 1920s, number of dark-winged moths become more than white-winged moth, because during industrializations the tree trunks covered by white lichens due to the deposition of dust and coal particles on the tree trunk. As a result, white-winged moth be easily picked up by the predators from the dark backgrounds. That means कि as a result, white-winged moths, white-winged moth picked up by predator due to dark background, while dark winged moths survived. This shows that in mixed population, those that can adapt better survived, and these was increased in their population size. It is proved that nature accept those persons we are better surviving environment. Second example, chemical resistance. Chemical resistance. Chemical resistance, use of pesticides and herbicides. Herbicides that also increase the resisting capacity of the microbes. So chemical resistance is the another examples of natural selections. Excessive use of pesticides and herbicides has resulted in evolution of resistant varieties of microbes in very less time. So excessive use of pesticides and herbicides which provides resistance powers of the microbes in very less time. Likewise, due to these anthropogenic activities or actions, antibiotic resistance bacteria are also appearing nowadays in very short period. Now a day or these days we are suffering from a panic situations by the actions of COVID-19. It is spread, so we can say that microbes spread very fast in very short periods. So the above said discussions, industrial melanism and chemical resistance are also example of evolution by anthropogenic actions. This tells us that evolution is a stochastic process based on chance event in nature and chance mutations in the organism. So chemical resistance and industrial melanism is the best examples of natural selection. So third theory is known as mutation theories. Mutation theory of evolution. This theory was given by Hugo de Veris in 1901. Theory was given by Hugo de Veris in 1901 based on his work on based on his work on evening prime rose. Evening prime rose. Oniothera lamarckiana. This is the botanical name of evening primrose flower. According to him, evolution caused by sudden large differences in the population based on populations, that is mutation. Mutations caused the speciations, and that is called saltation. Single step large mutation. According to him, evolution caused by sudden large differences. According to him, evolution caused by sudden large differences in the population. In the populations, and not the minor variation in, and not the minor variation as per Darwin. He believed that mutation is the only cause of evolution. He believed that mutation is only caused of evolution. He stated that mutation caused speciation. Mutation caused speciation and called saltation. Or single step large mutation. Single step large mutation. So mutations are random and directionless. Mutations are random and directionless. While Darwinian variations are small and directions. While Darwinian variations are small and directional. So we can say that evolution was gradual. For Darwin, while De Vries believed saltations. So now discuss the other theory known as modern synthetic theory of evolution. Modern synthetic theory of evolution. With progress in genetics, the sources of variations were explained and Darwin's theory was modified. Now, the most accepted theory of evolution is known as modern synthetic theory of evolution, which is designated by Huxley in 1942, in which theory the origin of a species is based on the interactions of genetic variation in a population, natural selections, and reproductive isolation. So, in which theory the origin of a species is based on the interaction of genetic variation in a population, natural selection, and reproductive isolation. So these are the theories given in the field of the evolution. Thank you.